sa aking YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today we're going to install dimmer switch with the light receptacle bulb light, and I'm going to use 63 amps for the main MCB and 16 for the light, and this is line to line. This dimmer switch is having a switch, so therefore this two terminal here is for the switch, and this one is the output. Okay, so this will be the incoming for the line 1, and this will be the output for the line 1. Okay guys, this neutral goes here. Okay guys, this is supposed to be going to the meter. Okay, now this connection is line to line, so live, neutral. So our neutral is connected now, neutral, and this is the live. I'm going to connect it here. Okay, and this one is my output. Okay, tigpitan po natin siya, just tighten it up, and we're done. So simple as that, guys. Okay, now we're going to supply it. Let's power it on. Let's see if we're going to turn it off using this switch. It's working. On. Now, since this is a dimmer, let's see if the light reduces its brightness. Tingnan po natin guys kung nababawasan po yung liwanag niya. Yan guys, tumidilim na. Yan. So, it's working guys. Off. If you like this video guys, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.